Bullish Metahero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Legend could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Metahero market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Metahero presentation. Metahero symbols and virtual articles are made utilizing state-of-the-art 3D innovation that makes them look super reasonable. This permits clients to make extraordinarily similar 3D portrayals of themselves or some other article they can envision. The Metahero stage gives a large number of devices and elements that make it simple for clients to make, offer, and utilize their symbols and virtual articles, as well as having the option to make point-by-point 3D models. Clients can likewise add movements, surfaces, and lighting impacts to their manifestations. Metahero is something other than a great method for putting yourself out there on the web. It additionally has true applications in fields like style, craftsmanship, medication, and gaming. In the style business, for instance, planners can utilize Metahero to make advanced models of their apparel plans before they start creation. This assists set aside with timing and cash by permitting creators to try out various thoughts rapidly and without any problem. What is Metahero? To make 3D symbols and virtual merchandise for use in web-based entertainment, computer games, style, human expression, and clinical. Metahero, a deflationary genuine utility token, use an extraordinarily reasonable 3D innovation. Metahero key investigation. With an end goal to enroll the following 10 million digital money clients, Metahero is acquainting metascanning innovation with the metaverse. Legend's super sensible 3D innovation can be utilized to make unquestionably exact symbols and virtual articles, making it ideal for use across a great many enterprises. Whether you're hoping to make another virtual entertainment profile, plan another game person, or foster a historic new clinical gadget, Legend has the instruments you want to rejuvenate your vision. Likewise, Legend is a deflationary token, truly intending that there will be a restricted stockpile of Legends available for use. This makes Legend the ideal venture for those hoping to make an early, bold move with an interesting new undertaking with colossal potential. Wait, don't as well. Snatch a few Legends today and begin fabricating your tomorrow. Organization Metahero has an association with Wolf Computerized World. The WDW Group is answerable for the production of the metaverse's virtual world. One of Wolf Advanced World's key assets is its capacity to make an interpretation of certifiable information into an organization that can be utilized by PC frameworks. The group has fostered a scope of devices and methods that permit them to do this rapidly and precisely. WDW is centered around conveying the innovation to make the metaverse a reality. The objective is to make a computerized duplicate of the actual world that can be cooperated with, likewise to how we communicate with the actual world. This incorporates porting over each of the subtleties of the actual world, from structures and scenes to individuals and creatures. WDW has been dealing with this task for over 8 years and has gained extraordinary headway. The group is continually improving and growing better approaches to catch and port information into the advanced world. With their experience and mastery, WDW is very much positioned to make the metaverse a reality. Metahero examining. Metahero scanners are another piece of innovation. Each utilizes a movable 3D chamber comprised of 16 movable bolsters, a server, and 4 cameras. Likewise, 64 gadgets are prepared to take pictures in a state of harmony. Metahero plans to set up examining loads and key locales from one side of the planet to the other to furnish clients with admittance to 3D checking. The initial step is to set up 12 chambers in places with areas of strength for an innovation culture. In Doha, Qatar, their original 4 Kelvin public chamber is as of now being used. Tokyo, Berlin, New York, Seoul, and a lot more urban communities will come later. Metahero current cost. Metahero is presently worth $0. Legend has moved 1.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,688,354. Metahero is presently positioned 559 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $19,319,762 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Metahero to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Metahero market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Metahero Value Forecast 2022. Metahero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Legend cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Legend is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Metahero Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Metahero Legend cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Legend will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Legend's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Legend will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Metahero Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Legend might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Legend is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Metahero Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Metahero effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Legend coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Legend will be green in 2025. The Legend is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Metahero Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Legend cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Legend has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Metahero Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that Legend figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Legend needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Metahero Value Expectation 2028. While Legend is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Metahero Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Metahero will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Metahero Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Legend cost in 2030 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And there are a lot of digital currency extends that focus on NFTs and games, yet not many incorporate 3D checking. For this situation, Metahero gives a reaction to the